2 days ago, I shared this 10-hour sprint to make a multiplayer ChatGPT whiteboard product. Since sharing that, I had some people ask me whether or not the same thing would be possible with iOS apps and how much harder an iOS app would be. Well, I actually made an iOS app and submitted it to the App Store in just 5 hours. Let's check it out. You can see the submission of my app here. It's called ImageOS and it was submitted today, September 4th. ImageOS is essentially a image generation app. So think about if you've ever tried to generate an image inside of ChatGPT, this is it for your phone in an app that frankly I think works much better than ChatGPT. I've recorded a demo through my phone and have it up on this screen here. So we'll play the video and I'll kind of walk through what's going on. So as we hit play, we're greeted by the intro and immediately I can start prompting through an audio transcription. So in this case, I'm asking for a radioactive hamburger. So here we can see the request and in just a couple of seconds, it's going to generate the image that I've requested. There we go. So we can see the radioactive hamburger and we can save that to our camera roll. From there, we can actually start again, and this time we're going to use a reference image. So I'm going to open up my photo gallery and I'm going to pick this kind of abstract painting and I'm going to ask it once again to generate a painting of a house. And it's automatically going to pick up that we've got a reference image uploaded in this kind of abstract style, and it's going to create a painting of a house all in just a few seconds, heavily referencing that reference image. And you can see it's created a new base image and that looks really good. It's very similar style. But not only can we make images, we can actually make videos too. So in this case, I wanted to animate the trees in the painting to kind of make them sway. Got a bit ahead of me there. But essentially, I've prompted it a video generation model to convert this into a video. That takes about 2 minutes or so. So in the meantime, we can see some of the history of all the images that I've generated, a lot of hamburgers, but just a small history component there. And for now, it'll take, another minute or so to go through this. I'll pause it and kind of skip forward to, let's see if we can find when it's created the video. Okay, so in just under 2 minutes, see we're 3 minutes into the recording here, it's going to create the animation and we can click into it, and this animation actually didn't turn out great. It's almost created a little wind effect there rather than animating the tree, and that's just the way AI is. It's not going to get it right every time. So I'm going to re-prompt it and once again kind of wait 2 minutes, and we should be able to see the new image coming up. It's about 2 minutes there. Here we go. The animation is complete. And in this case, when we hit play, we're going to see a much more obvious, but still subtle, swaying of these trees. Once again, we can save this video to our camera roll. So that's the MVP that I created. It's essentially almost like a ChatGPT clone of their iPhone app. And it's purely for image generation, image remixing, iterating on multiple edits of an image in seconds, as well as some video. If you want, you can try to do this in ChatGPT, and honestly, at a minimum, it's probably going to take 2 minutes per image that you generate, and there's no current video module or animation module for images inside of ChatGPT. So not to say that I've invented something revolutionary here. My goal was to take some of this really cool technology and show you how to build an MVP iOS app, submit it to the App Store in 5 hours. Hope you have a good one and hope you enjoy it.